Okay. So this is the chapter dissolution of partnership firm. October 23rd. Okay, so you can see the screen dissolution of partnership firm slides.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in dissolution, what does it mean by dissolution? Actually, in this chapter, what we have to study is these topics. Meaning of dissolution of partnership firm. Obviously, first of all, we will understand what is dissolution of partnership firm, then modes of dissolution, process of dissolution. After that, settlement of accounts, accounting treatment, and necessary accounts. After that, journal entry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, meaning of dissolution of partnership firm. You can see here, dissolution of partnership firm means in the first chapter, actually, leave this definition. Before understanding this one, I told you that there is a concept of reconstitution of partnership. Reconstitution of partnership. There is dissolution of partnership and then dissolution of partnership firm. So we are discussing dissolution of firm right now. This one. Okay. Now you can see there is difference between these two. It can be written like this also, dissolution of partnership firm. So student get confused about these two, dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. Dissolution of partnership. No.
Okay, sir.
So this is dissolution of partnership we are discussing. Dissolution of partnership means change in relationship. These two are same. Reconstitution of partnership and dissolution of partnership, these are same. The words are different, but the meaning is same. What is the meaning? Is change in a relationship. Change in a relationship between partners. And dissolution of partnership firm means end of relationship. End of relationship. The first one is change in relationship between partners. Okay. So in reconstitution, dissolution, we have studied 4 chapters. One is change in profit sharing ratio. In that, relationship between partner changed. The profit sharing ratio changed. There is admission of a new partner where a new partner admitted into partnership firm. There is a retirement of retirement of a partner. So in that also relationship between partners changed, and then death of a partner. These 4 topics are related to dissolution of partnership, reconstitution of partnership. But now we are discussing dissolution of partnership firm. Means we are closing our business, end of relationship. There will be no future business. Okay. So we are ending our business. All assets and liabilities will be either sold and paid, there will be nothing left in the business. So shut down of business. It is called dissolution of partnership. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So this is the definition. Dissolution of partnership firm means shut down of business. It results in end of relationship between partners. It is different from dissolution or reconstitution of partnership. So this is the meaning. After that, there is modes of dissolution. Modes of dissolution means how we can dissolve our partnership firm. How can we close our business? So the first one is by mutual agreement. By mutual agreement means partners agree on these things that we should dissolve the partnership firm. So in that case, uh, partnership firm can be dissolved. So all the partners, if they are agreed, then they can dissolve. Just okay. So the next one is compulsory dissolution. Compulsory dissolution where partnership business cannot be carried on. Uh, Now there is no option. We have to close the business. So compulsory dissolution. Next is happening of an event. Happening of an event means if there is something happened like one partner died, one partner became insolvent, or there is something like accident happened and all partner is dead. So in that case, or most of the partner is insolvent. In that case, also happening of an event, we have to dissolve the partnership firm. Dissolution by court. Dissolution by court means if court thinks that a firm should be dissolved, there is some problem with business, there is some problem with partners, and court thinks that they are not working in interest of the country, in interest of the public, then court can decide that partnership should be dissolved. And the last one is dissolution by notice. This is applicable only if partnership is at will. मतलब अगर पार्टनरशिप इच्छा पे आधारित वाला है तो आप नोटिस दे के भी डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बट इस ये ऑप्शन बाकी सब में अवेलेबल नहीं है, नॉर्मल पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म में अवेलेबल नहीं है। ठीक है, तो म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट हो गया जहां पे सब अपने आपसी सहमति से डिसाइड करते हैं और डिसॉल्व कर देते हैं। कंपलसरी है कि अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं रह गया, बिजनेस को डिसॉल्व करना ही पड़ेगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू, let's say there is a partnership business in Bihar. Okay, four people was running a business of liquor. Okay, uh, liquor, you understand? Vivek, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm asking like I'm speaking from there. What is the liquor?
You didn't understand the liquor, like sharab.
ये बोल रहा हूँ सर सीधा हिंदी में सर आप।
Okay, so four people as running a business of sharab, you can say. So in Bihar, they are running the business, and some years from now, Bihar government has banned all kinds of manufacturing or selling of liquor. Okay. So in
Okay,
that
sir.
case, you have to close your business. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is, you can say, compulsory dissolution. So there are some problem situation where you cannot run your business in future. So that is called compulsory dissolution. Okay.
Okay.
After that, happening of an event, I already told you that if one partner is dead, all partners are dead. one partner is insolvent or most of them are insolvent. So this is happening of an event. In these situations, they can decide to dissolve the partnership form. Dissolution by court. कोर्ट को अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म पब्लिक के हिसाब से, पब्लिक के भलाई के हिसाब से नहीं चल रही है, पब्लिक के खिलाफ काम कर रही है या देश के खिलाफ काम कर रही है, तो कोर्ट डिसॉल्व कर सकती है. और फिर लास्ट में है डिसोल्यूशन बाय notice. Please write this. After that, we'll discuss next topic.
Okay, sure. Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now, the next topic is modes of dissolution. We have discussed process of dissolution, how dissolution will go through settlement of accounts. So first of all, when we say dissolution, then what should be done first? First of all, if we talk about process, the first thing what we have to do in process of dissolution is sale of asset. After we have decided to dissolve our partnership firm, first thing we have to do is sale of assets and realize cash. Okay. After selling the assets, getting cash from these assets, what we will do? Payment of liabilities.
Yeah. Okay. Process of dissolution, sale of asset.
Then payment of liabilities. Actually, payment of liabilities से भी पहले एक और चीज है, payment of dissolution expenses. Means जो भी खर्चे होंगे dissolution के वो हमको पे करना है. After that, we have to pay the liabilities, payment of liabilities. Then, after payment of liabilities, if cash is left is if there is any balance of cash, then payment of capital. कैपिटल से भी पहले एक आता है इंटरनल लायबिलिटीज, देन पेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल. Payment of capital, and after this if there is anything left, then it will be distributed as profit. Okay.
Can you please tell again?
First of all, we will sell all our assets and realize cash. Think about it. If you have a business, now you want to close the business, okay, and wants to go your home, okay. So what you will do first? You were saying something?
No, sir. Like I'm listening to you. What you're saying?
I have asked a question.
Yeah. Can you please repeat?
I said that if you have a business, you want to close it down and go back to your home. So what will you do first?
I will if I'm running a business and I want to close that business. Now what I have to do?
Yes.
I have to close my all sales.
All?
सेल्स लाइक आई विल नॉट ले मैं बाहर से जो कुछ समय जो बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ मैं उसको स्टॉप कर दूंगा, उसको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बंद कर दूंगा जैसे मैं कोई कार बनाने का काम कर रहा हूँ तो
ठीक है. उसके बाद?
उसके बाद में जो मेरे एम्प्लॉय उनको मैं फायर कर दूंगा.
वो भी ठीक.
उसके बाद फिर जितने शेयर है मैं अपनी कंपनी को सेल कर दूंगा तो उसको पूरा क्लोज डाउन कर दूंगा.
कंपनी का शेयर सेल कर दूंगा.
मीन्स लाइक
कंपनी की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा एक बिजनेस है और उसको तुम शट डाउन करना चाहते हो.
हाँ तो मैं सर मैं अपनी वो कह रहा हूँ ना उसकी बाइंग में क्या कहते हैं.
अच्छा, बिजनेस ही बेच दोगे किसी को?
यस जैसे आइडिया होता है ना, जैसे मैं फॉर
तो फिर
एग्जाम्पल.
अगर बिजनेस ही बेचना है तो फिर एम्प्लॉय को फायर करने की क्या जरूरत है फिर? क्या कहते हैं उसको, जो भी
सर
चीजें
लैंड ओके बिजनेस क्लोज करना है तो मैं लैंड सेल कर दूंगा अपनी.
लैंड सेल कर दोगे, ओके.
देन उसके बाद क्या कर सकता हूँ. उसके
जितने
बाद
भी एसेट्स हैं तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ बेच दोगे ना? सिर्फ
यस
लैंड क्यों बेचोगे? मशीन है मशीन बेच दोगे, मकान है मकान बेच दोगे.
यस.
तो जो भी एसेट्स है सब सेल कर दोगे, उसके बाद क्या करोगे?
उसके बाद
सेल
उसके
करने
बाद मैं रिटर्न करने की कोशिश करूंगा, जैसे कोई नया बिजनेस खोलूंगा.
की बिजनेस की बात नहीं कर, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि पैसा मिला सेल करने से, उसके बाद क्या करोगे? तो जो एम्प्लॉय को फायर किया, क्या उसको पैसे नहीं दोगे?
दूंगा सर.
तो फिर ये बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
ओके. लाइक उनको सैलरी पे करूंगा उनकी.
ओके.
उसके बाद जो मिनिस्ट्री में जो मैंने मशीन रेंट पे ली उनको रेंट पे करूंगा पूरा.
हम्म.
देन
अब बिजनेस में सिर्फ एसेट्स तो होते नहीं है.
नो सर लाइबिलिटी भी होती है.
यस. तो क्या लायबिलिटी को बिना पे करे के चले जाओगे?
नो सर उनको उनको क्लियर करना पड़ेगा ना.
यस. तो पेमेंट ऑफ लायबिलिटीज भी तो होगा ना?
यस.
ओके. उसके बाद लायबिलिटी पे
देन
करके मान लो कि तुम लोग दो लोग हो, मतलब एक
यस.
तुम एक और तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त. उसके बाद
देन उसके बाद कोई इंटरेस्ट क्या कहते हैं इंटरनल लाइबिलिटीज.
इंटरनल लायबिलिटीज मैंने लिखा हुआ है, उसको देख के मत बोलो.
उसके बाद क्या कर सकता हूँ सर मैं.
तुम बताओ.
मैं मैं उनकी पे से कर रहा हूँ प्रॉपर ही. देन लाइबिलिटी क्लियर कर रहा हूँ। उसके बाद क्या बचा?
उसके बाद जो जो पैसा तुम दोनों ने लगाया है वो वापस ले लोगे, अगर बचा हुआ है तो, पैसा बचा हुआ है तो वो वापस ले लोगे। फिर उसके बाद अगर उसके बाद भी कोई पैसा बचा हुआ है तो उसको प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में बांट दोगे। यही तो है, वही चीजें तो मैंने लिखी है यहाँ पे।
ओके ओके सर। तो ओके।
सेल ऑफ एसेट्स है, उसके बाद अगर हम डिसोल्यूशन के प्रोसेस में जाते हैं तो देर विल बी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस। ओके, so we have to pay all those expenses, payment of dissolution expenses. After that there is payment of liabilities. Payment of liabilities means payment of salary, payment of rent, or anything that is due on company, we have to pay the liability. So payment of liabilities. After that, payment of internal liabilities. Internal liabilities means if firm has taken loan from its partners, we have taken loan from outside. So first of all, we have to pay loan of outside, and then we have to pay loan of partners if we have taken the loan. So that is called internal liabilities. After payment of partners loan, we have to pay partners capital because they have invested the money and we have to return it. So if the amount is enough, then we will pay the capital. After payment of capital, if there is anything left, then it will be treated as profit and it will be distributed between partners.
या ओके सर।
So you should write this also.
ओके भाई।
Done?
वेट सर वेट। डन सर।
Okay. One minute. Yes. The next topic is settlement of accounts. Now, what is settlement of accounts? First of all, if we are doing anything, we are paying to someone, or if we are taking loan from someone, so we can take loan in firm's capacity or in personal capacity also. So if a partner is taking a personal loan, or if a partner is taking loan on behalf of firm, then what we have to do? Okay, so the first thing is from personal assets. We have to pay personal liabilities, then we can use it for payment of firm's liability. Asset of firm actually not for assets of firm. We already know this, that assets of firm will be utilized for payment of liabilities first, then it can be transferred to partners. I have written this in process also. So settlement of accounts from personal assets, we have to pay personal liabilities, then we can use it for payment of firm's liability. What does it mean? It means that in case where firm's asset is not sufficient for payment of firm's liability, in that case, partners has to bring cash from their personal assets, personal property. Okay, so if he is bringing cash from personal property, then we have to see that is there any personal liability of partner left. If there is any personal liability, then we have to settle that liability first, then we can utilize the partner's personal assets form for the purpose of payment of liability of firm. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So settlement of accounts, this is. After that, there is accounting treatment we have to understand. Accounting treatment. In accounting treatment, it is divided into two parts. You can see accounting treatment at the time of dissolution is divided into following two parts: necessary ledgers and journal. So there is two parts in dissolution of partnership form. The first one is necessary ledgers. So you can see there is four ledgers that we have to prepare. First one is the realization account. Second is partners capital account. Third one is cash account. Fourth one is partners loan account. Okay. So
Yes.
these are the four ledgers that we have to prepare. Now, first of all, we will understand what is a realization account, what is partners capital, and we will understand how it will be prepared. So balance sheet, you have seen that generally balance sheet is given in the question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in most of the question, you will find balance sheet. So this is your balance sheet. Liabilities side, amount, assets, and amount. Now, in asset side, there will be cash, then stock, debtors, there can be goodwill, machinery, furniture, and in liability side, there can be creditors, bank overdraft, bills payable, partners loan, and then capital of partners like A, B, C, all the partners, capital can be given. So this is the balance sheet. Okay. Now, two accounts is created separately for these two. You can see there is cash account. There is total 4 account. One is realization, second is partner capital, third is partner's loan, and fourth one is cash account. So cash balance will be transferred to cash account. Actually not transferred, because both are same, so we can say it will be written as balance, to balance BD. Partner's loan will go in partner's loan account. There is separate account, partner's loan account. Capital account will go in capital account. Actually, we are closing the business. That's why we have to clear our balance sheet. There should be no balance in any account. If you are closing the business, then what is the benefit if we leave any balance in any of the account? Yes, we have to close all the accounts. Then we can close our business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to close all the accounts, not only one. We have to clear the balance sheet. We have to clear each item from the balance sheet. So that's why we are transferring these items to different accounts so that we can close these accounts. Now, creditors, bank overdraft, and bills payable. These three will go in a realization account.
Okay.
And all these assets will go in realization. Okay. If there is any reserve, let's say general reserve is given, then it will also go in capital account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So partners loan, there is separate account. Capital account, there is separate account. General reserve will be transferred to capital account. Cash will be transferred to cash account. All other assets and liability will go to realization account. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the accounts name we were talking about.
Okay.
Realization, partners capital, cash account, partners loan account. So we have to prepare these 4, and why these 4 will be created? To write these items. Then we will close accounts one by one. First, we have to close partners loan account, then we have to close realization account, then we have to close partners capital account, and at the end we will close cash account, because at the end cash account, cash is paid or received from all the sources or application. So we will settle the cash payment and receipt. At the end, cash account should be, total of cash account should be same. Debit side total of cash account should be equal to credit side total of cash account. Okay, so then only you can say your answer is correct. So the first thing we do is clear the balance sheet. We will transfer all the items from this balance sheet to separate accounts. So please write this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is first thing that we have to do in accounting treatment. Step one is clear the balance sheet. Clear the balance sheet by transferring all the items to respective account. Write this and prepare the format like this, so that you will know that which item will go in which account. Okay.
You can show me the step what you have to clear the balance sheet
by transferring all the items to respective account.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to write this balance sheet also.
Okay.